Alright. Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal, but if you are new here, what is up? So today, as you can tell, I'm sitting in my living room. I'm going to try to do something a little bit different today, and I'm filming on my phone. I'm going to try to do like a no edit video, and I thought what better time to do it than today because this haul is super small. So please excuse any mess that you see. I'm kind of working down here a little bit and redoing everything for fall, which will be in a video as well. But let's just get straight on into this haul. It's all stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I will show stuff first from Dollar General because I only got 3 things. So from Dollar General, but it was only $1. I picked up these little they're Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos skulls. So it's like a banner kind of, what do they call it? A garland. So they're felt pieces, decorative garland. So there's that one for $1. I also picked up this colorful set for $1, and then this black and white one for $1. I should have got 2 of each. I only saw another one of like each colorful pack, and there wasn't another one of the black and white. That's the only reason why I didn't get 2 of each, but I should have. So that was my bad, but whatever. Alright, so the rest of this stuff is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show some of the boring stuff first. So first, I just got these like little organized plastic bins, or like what even do they call this? Organizers. I don't know. But so you get 3 of these in a set. Oh, they're taped on the side. But I just got these to organize in my desk drawer because it is always a mess in there. Vanessa knows. She's always like, is it messy in there yet? So I got those to keep it organized, and I also got these, and these are like super flimsy. Like I know there's the ones that are more sturdy that like you couldn't bend, but so you get 2 of these larger ones. So I have the large one and this little thin one. I was like trying my best to keep that drawer organized. So I got those, pretty boring. I got a few cleaning supplies just because I always get it from the dollar store. So I just got the carpet deodorizer, and this I only put along the edges of my carpet. I don't put this fully in the carpet because I think that's how carpets get like matted down. It's from like putting weird stuff in the carpet. So yeah, I only put this around the edges, and then you vacuum it up. And then I picked up 2 sprays just because I've been wanting sprays. I don't usually buy air fresheners because I just feel like it's a waste of money, honestly. And I'm always buying like candles and stuff. So, and like the Airwick Mist, or the Airwick or Glade, same difference. But so I picked up 2 of the Airwick scents. So I got like a normal one. It's just the fresh linen, and then I wanted one that was a little bit more fall scented, but this was really the only one that I could find. It is just the apple cinnamon medley. So I picked that one up. This cat, what is she doing? And then I picked up some wipes because I saw a lot of people are mentioning the Secret Body Cleansing wipes. So I had passed them up. I only saw them a few times at like a few stores, but finally I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get them. So I realized they had 2 different scents. So they have this like birch one. Is it this one? No, this is the Cool Water Lily. And then they also have this Calm Birch Water. So these are like just all over like wipes that you can put all over your body. I do like these a lot though because they actually come individually packaged. So inside the box, you get 15 little guys that you can put in your purse. I carry teeny tiny purses, especially like lately. So these are perfect. It'll fit in there. The only thing is you're only getting 1 wipe per little pack. So you might have to put like 1 or 2 in your purse, but they're super small, travel friendly. You get 15 in here. I had to mention these because I literally just looked these up at Walmart, like online. They're $5 a box on Walmart, or at Walmart. So if you get them from the dollar store, they're only $1, which is crazy. All right, that's boring. And then at the same time, I picked up these because they just have a little bit more in them. These have 10 wipes per pack, so it's like little packs divided up. It's by this brand Assured. I don't know. It says they're supposed to be for hands and face, but I mean, I figure, could this go anywhere? You know, just to like freshen up. But like, it's like just a little travel pack. So you get 10 wipes in each of these. It's a little larger, obviously, because it's got more in there. But at least it's not just like 1 in a pack. So I got this also for when I have like larger purses. that's cool. And then a little bit more fun stuff. I got, I think, I had to grab some batteries because I need them for my mouse for my computer. I know these suck from the dollar store, but I just got the pack that had the most in it that I saw on like their little like end cap. And then I was definitely checking out and saw that they have an 8-pack sitting at the register. So, and I noticed it like when I was done. So I was like, okay, I'll just take the 6 then, okay? But yeah, you probably have to change these out a lot more often than like a higher quality battery. But for now, they're going to work for my life. Also, I found this bookmark tab dividers by Jot. Since when? I've never seen these before. This is the only pack I saw. I like walked up and down the aisle for like 5 minutes trying to find some more. These are the only ones. But these remind me, oh, I thought they would be a little bit thicker. But they remind me of the ones from the Happy Planner. They're a lot thinner though. So they're basically like the plastic folders that I buy. So I guess technically you might as well just get a plastic folder. So I'm glad I wish I had like touched it in the store because then I probably wouldn't have bought it. But not gonna lie, I kind of don't want these now. I kind of want to exchange these for like something else. I'm not gonna lie, I probably will. Because like, I thought it was gonna be like thicker. I thought it was gonna be like the Happy Planner ones. But those are kind of like it if you're into that. I just think they're not it tick-wise. And then obviously I had to get some fall stuff. You guys know that I have a list, a running list, okay, of fall Halloween stuff from Dollar Tree. Just like stuff in general. Actually, those wipes were on my list as well for Dollar Tree. I have a list that I stick to, and I've been really, really good about it, so I'm actually really proud of myself. But so a few of these things were on that list. So I had on my list to get a few more of these corns because I'm obsessed with these corns. And every time I buy them at the store also, the person ringing me up, usually if it's a woman, is like, these are so cute. And I'm like, I know. So I had to get 3 more. I always get them in an uneven number just so that when I put them together, they're uneven. That scared me so bad. Alright, so I'm going to try to go fast. I'm almost done. I just don't feel like turning my TV off. Should I?
Four is our magic number.
It was 3.
Yeah, but we always wanted a girl. When you're ready again, first response detects not just
God.
one, but all forms of the pregnancy hormone. Our baby girl.
Okay. Since I didn't want to like edit this video. Alright. So, back to scheduled programming. Alright, so I had to pick up some of these like little signs. These again were on my list, so it was okay. But these are super cute. This one just says Hello Fall. It's got the little wagon with some pumpkins in it. And it's just like a sticky stick. I think they're actually supposed to go outside, but mine are going to stay indoors. And then I also got this one with the red truck on it. And I realized at a different store there's another one of these, which I thought I looked through all of them at this store, but I guess I didn't, which is annoying. There's at least a third one. It has like a green bike on it. And I saw only one of them at the last Dollar Tree that I was at today, but it just didn't look right. I think because like the sticker was like not on right, so I was like, I'm not getting that one, so I didn't. So if I find that one again, that one's still going to be on my list. Well, I need to put that one specifically on the list. Let me know though if there's like a 4th one, because I'll probably need that too. And then I also got this little guy that just says Hello Fall. I wanted something to sit on my kitchen counter, so I just thought this would be cute. Oh, this one needs to be, oh, gross. Okay, but yeah, this is cute. I already have something else hanging up over there. Again, I will do a full video, kind of like vlog style, of me changing the house over to fall, Halloween, fall. But that's cute. And then last things, I had to pick these up. I had looked at them and looked at them and looked at them every single time I went to the store. I feel like this is the one single item in their store that they have the most of at every single store that I went to. So I was never like really like pressed to like buy them because I was like, there's so many of them. I can get them at any time. But I wanted to make sure I got nice looking ones because some of them just look really thrown together. And I wanted at least to get my dollar's worth, at least borderline dollar's worth. So I had to pick these up. So that is it from this little mini haul. I'm definitely going to be on the lookout at Dollar Generals for these, mainly for the black and white ones because they're just the best. But I'm probably going to get another one of each color from Dollar General. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have found any of these items or if you're on the hunt for them, or let me know if there's anything that I haven't shown yet that I should be on the hunt for. Let me know your guys' thoughts about this whole situation, a non-edited video. I don't know, it's kind of stressing me out already and I haven't even looked at it, but I'm not going to hold you guys too much longer. Muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.